Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us one more smartwatch from Noise, and this time it's the Noise Vision Buzz. This smartwatch is mainly an offline product and it is not available on Amazon and Flipkart, but you can purchase one from the Noise official website. We also have a coupon code for you by which you can get Rs 2000 off on this product. Now without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. So here we have the box, and in the front we have the picture of the smartwatch along with the model name. At the back we have the key features, and this is the midnight blue variant. And apart from that, this smartwatch is available in black and grey color. And now about the features, we get the 1.75-inch LCD display, SpO2 monitoring, 5 days battery life, 320 by 385 pixel resolution, heart rate monitoring, calls and SMS quick reply, Bluetooth calling, 100 plus sports modes, and you get customized watch faces. The companion app for this smartwatch is NoiseFit, which is available on both Android and iOS platform. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the documentations, which includes a welcome card, user guide, and then here we have the noise stickers. And after that we have the smartwatch itself. And my first impression is that the midnight blue variant looks good, and the textured straps of this watch gives this smartwatch a nice look and feel. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the charging cable, which is magnetic, and here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise Vision Buzz is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. In terms of the design, we have a very good design of this watch, and the build quality also seems pretty decent. The body of this smartwatch is made up of plastic, but due to that you get a slim and a lightweight smartwatch. In this smartwatch, we have a push button strap, which personally I don't prefer, but design and build quality wise, the strap's quality is very good. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 1.75-inch LCD display in this smartwatch. So it's not an AMOLED display, however, we have the curved glass and also the bezels are minimal. Looking at the right side of the watch, we have the function button and the mic for calling. And at the back we have the sensors and the charging points. And here at this side, we have the speaker for calling. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I find this watch very good, and also it feels comfortable on the hand. And guys, as you can see, this blue color smartwatch looks really good on my wrist. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app NoiseFit, and here we have the watch paired with our phone. Now let me show you the watch features. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And swiping down from the top will show you the notification history, and swiping up from the bottom will show you the quick settings. And here we have the brightness, D&D, battery saver mode, and the settings of the watch. Swiping left or right on the watch face will allow you to go through the quick apps such as activity status, heart rate, stress monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, and the music. And to access the main menu, you would need to press the side button once. And guys, about the menu, here I must tell you that the touch response is very good and there is no lag in the menu. However, the animations are slow. Now about the menu, first we have the noise health, and here we have the activity status where you will see your current day's fitness data. And then we have the sleep where you can see your sleep tracking details. And then we have the heart rate, and guys, the heart rate data is quite accurate in this smartwatch, and here you can see we have the same reading in the dedicated device. And also, there is no false reading in this smartwatch. Similarly, we have the SpO2 data, and there also the data is fairly accurate. Then in the menu we have the breathe, by which you can do some breathing exercises to calm yourself down. After that we have the stress monitoring, and here it will show you a score letting you know how stressed you are. After that we have the noise buzz, and here we have the calling functions. And about the calling performance, I will talk in a moment. Then in the menu we have the clock, and here we have the alarm, stopwatch, world clock, and the timer with some preset timers. After that in the menu we have the workouts, and here we have different sports modes, and in total you get 100 sports modes. And guys, this is the interface you get on the watch while working out. Then in the menu we have the sports records, which will show you the history of your workouts. After that we have the reminders, which you can sync through the app. And then we have the music, by which you can control the music on your phone. But unfortunately, it wasn't working for us. Then in the menu we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather along with the weather forecast. After that we have the watch faces, stocks, and the flashlight, which is a pretty handy feature. And then finally, we have the settings of the watch. And in these settings we have the brightness and the vibration settings. And then we have the call ringtone. After that we have the wrist awake, which is a raise to wake feature. And it works perfectly in this smartwatch. And then we have the usual power off, reset and the restart option. So overall in the Noise Vision Buzz, we have all the features and the performance wise it works pretty good. The display output is very good and the touch response is also decent. Now about the app. So here we have the NoiseFit app, and in this on the homepage, you can see your workout data. And then in the settings we have the watch face store, and here you can select a custom watch face and also choose from available cloud-based watch faces. After that we have the notification settings, and here we have the apps for which you want to receive the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. So as you know, it's a calling smartwatch, so you can accept or reject the call from the watch itself. And also you get the preset replies, which is really good. And about the performance, I found the speaker volume a bit low, and indoors you won't face any problem, but it will be little difficult to use the calling function outdoors. And also the mic performance is just average, and the other person on the call was not able to hear me properly and I had to speak a bit louder. And now let me show you the app alert. So you get the social media alerts like this, and also for the text messages you get the preset replies, which works without any problem. Now coming back to the app, then in the app we have the health monitor, and here you can turn on the 24 hours heart rate monitoring, REM for better sleep tracking, and then some other reminders. And then we have the camera shutter, by which you can control the camera of your phone. And then lastly we have the quick replies, and here you can edit or add a new quick reply message. So overall the Noise Vision Buzz is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Design and build quality wise, you won't face any issue with this smartwatch. It's lightweight and also very comfortable on the hand. But again, I personally didn't like the strap style, though the design is very good. About the performance more, the display performance is very good and the touch is responsive. The battery backup is also decent and the fitness data is also quite accurate. The Bluetooth calling works, but you will face some issues with the low speaker volume, and also we get a subpar mic performance. But if the Bluetooth calling is not your priority, then this is a very good smartwatch. And if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Vision Buzz smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.